Hi and welcome to World of Boardcraft. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a wooden dice tray. We're gonna use this wooden tray that we bought in our local hobby store. Done! No, we are going to modify it with some fabric and wood stain. This will be so easy that even an amateur like me can do it. I hope. The materials you need are a wooden tray, scissors, a compass if you're making a circular tray like we do, wood stain, protective gloves, cloth, newspaper, fabric, a ruler, glue, and a paintbrush. First we're going to measure the diameter of our circular tray. We are measuring the inside, where we will put the fabric. If you are making a square tray, just measure the sides. Set your compass to the radius and draw a circle. Then cut it out. Now let's stain the wood. I'm using a very dark stain to match the components, to match the trays that I made for my components. I love these. I think these are great and they are really cheap and easy to make. So tell me if you want to see how I made them. Protect your work surface with some newspaper and your hands with gloves. You should use the wood stain in a ventilated place and preferably with a face mask. But I don't have one, so I'll just hold my breath. I'm using a cloth to apply the stain. If you're applying a stencil, we'll show you how to do that now. First, choose your design. If you're talented, you can make your own design. Or if you're like me, you just print something out from the internet. For the stencil you'll need a cutting board, some cardboard, a design of your choice, Stanley knife, double-sided tape, and spray paint. Here I marked out the middle on both sides of the cardboard, so I know where to center the design. Draw a circle on the other side so that the fabric is also centered. Glue the design onto cardboard to make it more durable, and cover the backside with double-sided tape. Cut out your design with a sharp knife. We numbered the triangles so that we know where to put them later. Line up the fabric with your drawn circle and let the double-sided tape hold it in place. Now assemble your design to the fabric, using the other side of the double-sided tape to hold everything in place. Now spray paint outside. The paint gets everywhere, so be careful. Some glue might be left behind from the tape, but you can clean it off with some acetone. Then glue the fabric to the tray with some all-around glue. So that's it. I'm really happy with the result, and it was quite easy to make. The stencil part was time-consuming, but I'm still really happy how it turned out. And if you like this, consider subscribing. I really appreciate it.